Hello and welcome back to my desk. Today is another Spotlight Stationery unboxing. I didn't get a chance to do this during the week as I was suffering with a cold and didn't want to come across as a snuffly mess on camera. As always, I have depackaged the items to an extent, but I've not taken too close a look and I have not read the information sheet. But being late, one can't help but avoid spoilers, or one can't avoid spoilers, I should say. So this month's theme is going green. Not all 100% recycled, but with environment-friendly features throughout. So let's take a look at what we get. And as always, I like to go in a little bit blind. I don't like to really read the descriptions because I like to try and figure out what items are as I go along. It's not always successful. In fact, it's rarely successful. So as always, one gets a handwritten envelope. And in this envelope will be postcards by the artists that Spotlight Stationery is working with this month. And immediately I can see that there is one of pineapples. I did actually spot this one on the internet. Really delighted with this. I think I'll put it up in where I keep postcards that I'm looking at for a while. I have a little bit of a thing about pineapples, particularly the trouble that was gone to in the 17th and 18th century to grow them in Britain and Ireland in special hothouses. This is a pomander that I had made, which represents, I think, a 17th century pomander. And the idea is you would put nice smelly things inside it and wear it as a kind of personal perfume. So, love this postcard. Very cute, just a very silly postcard. Reminds me of the seagulls in Finding Nemo, you know, the ones that go mine, 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 mine. So that's very cute. This is not to my taste, but I can appreciate the work that goes into the artistry of these types of images. And another very sweet little card there. Let's see if we can get this to focus. It's not really playing ball today, is it? That's a lovely little image, and I think I will know who I will pass that on to. And as always, you get an information card about the artists that Spotlight Stationery are working with. I think it's a really great way to showcase up and coming or indeed even established artists. So what have we got here? This looks lovely. Loving the finish. And it's almost like close-up marbling, if you know what I mean. Oh, handmade paper. Lovely. Yes, I do like me a bit of handmade paper. So obviously one could, tear that out, use it, but equally I think it's worthwhile using it as a notebook. So very pleased with that. So Vent for Change, plain notebook. Sustainable stationery with style, protect the planet and support children's education worldwide projects. So I did actually snip this open because it was going to prove extremely difficult to do on camera. It's a lovely, subtle, loving this green colour here. It's coming out a little bit darker, I think, on camera. And a lovely plain notebook with a ribbon marker. So that's really lovely. And I should point out that I think I ripped that page myself as I was messing with the notebook. Lovely. Marvellous. Lovely neat size. Half A5. What's that? A6, I suppose. Oh, now, look at that. A copper coloured pencil on a card. Oh, I'm such a sucker for cards. I just love cards. And printed in the UK. Seeing all my lighting there, that's funny. Excellent. I do like that. And I love copper. Anything copper coloured. I love. Another lovely little card design. Loving that grey envelope. Another lovely card. Lovely simple design. And in blue. I'm just going to keep saying blue is my favourite colour too. But I do. I like blue as well. And always there's just a little advertisement for a supplier that she works with. Now, pencils. A HB pencil, made in Germany. I could never pronounce that name. I know I should be able to. Green and black. Really nice. And as always, and as I always say, can never have too many pencils. And then this. Now, I should have had a piece of paper. Let's go on the back of the description. Ooh, pink. And thin green. Aren't they very interesting? Good for marking up study pages. Sort of like not highlighters, but highlighter-esque. Link it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll have to Google these. I have no idea what's going on here. Oh, and now what have I done? Oh, I clicked back together. How bizarre. Oh, now the dog has decided to bark. How marvellous. Thank you so much for joining in, Oscar. And this is a 0.4. Ooh, nice. Let's see what colour we are here. Sort of a black. It is a black, yeah. Just thought it might have been a grey there for a second, but it does seem to be a black. Oh, Oscar, it's very early for barking. And then a nice biro blue ink. Bio-based. Let's see. Oh, turn over the sheet to find out what that means. Pens in the box. 80 to 90% bio-based plastic. Very interesting. Great box this month. Very interesting. This idea that, you know, pens and things are being made from more sustainable materials. I really like that. But the dog is barking. That's the box. So I think I'll leave it there for this month. Love the box. Some really cute, quirky designs. Particularly like the pencil there, the little plain notebook, the handmade paper-esque notebook, and of course the postcards. Lovely. Okay. On that note, I shall see you all next time. Thank you.